Hi everyone, I'm Nika and now you are watching my channel. It's autumn and it's a little bit cold today and it's time to talk about hands and nail care.
Usually, when the weather gets colder, our skin needs more care. Such weather negatively affects the conditions of our hands and nails. My skin is thin and dry, so I need more extra care. In this situation, you can use the service of beauty salon for hands care. But if you, like me, love home care, this video for you. Let's go! The skincare procedure we will perform today is called paraffin therapy. At the beginning you need to prepare your hands. Since I have gel nail polish, I will remove it first. To enjoy all the benefits of this procedure, you need to purchase a start kit, and namely scrub, lotion, cream. Gloves, paraffin, paraffin flat. We put paraffin here, turn it on and let it warm up. Apply scrub and massage. Rinse with warm water. Carefully dip your hands in paraffin 2 times. Put on gloves and wait 10 minutes. Carefully remove gloves with paraffin.
apply lotion and cream. This is what the hands look like. You can do this every Was this video helpful for you? Let me know in the comments.